So it's really important when you're a busy individual and you want to have a healthy diet to schedule your health in. So many times people say to me, Brenda, I'm just so busy I didn't get my workout in, or I'm so busy that I didn't get to the grocery store and I couldn't buy all the fruits and vegetables that I needed for the week. So my suggestion is that you think about your health as a client, and if you're a busy individual, you probably have something like this, a day planner, or you might have a Palm Pilot or some sort of phone that you're scheduling all your activities in, whether you have assignments to turn in or clients to visit. Go ahead and schedule yourself in at least 30 minutes for lunch. Give yourself time to eat so you're not just scarfing down anything. Schedule your shopping trips in. Schedule your water when you want to make sure that you're going to get enough water in. Make sure that you're scheduling your exercise, because if you're a very busy individual, you need some sort of an outlet, and if you're exercising, more than likely your diet's going to improve. So don't forget to make sure you schedule in your health as a client.